Just another sleepy town where dreams are really bound. She's young and dreaming anyway. Her daddy's long gone, she never knew him none, and mama sleeps all damn day. They say that's such a shame, like that's her end game, but she got plans of her own. She wants a brand new start for her hungry heart. Her bags are packed, she's leaving today. She's got a ticket on a westbound train. Out there down the line, she knows that she can find something better than what they had in mind. She finds that sunset, and her heart says this is it. She can hear it calling on a westbound train. That takes her out, but the walls are paper thin. She was just a pretty face, one for him to chase, but he's bored and out again. He thought this was enough, especially where she came from, but he never really thought she'd go. She didn't come this far to sell her heart. Love's not supposed to feel this way. She's leaving on a westbound train. Out there down the line, she knows that she can find something better than what they had in mind. She finds that sunset, and her heart says this is it. She can hear it calling on a westbound train. She can hear it calling her name.